Hi guys, happy Tuesday. Today we're going to still work on our poem, The Cinquains. So today you're going to write two more cinquains. Yesterday you wrote one. So today choose a new topic, choose two new topics, write two new cinquains and see what you can come up with. Now, along with writing your two cinquains today, you're also going to choose out of the three total. You sent me one, and you're going to write two more today. Out of the three total, you're going to choose your favorite, which one you like the best, which one you think really speaks to your opinions, and you're going to publish it. So you have two ways you can publish this. If you're really lucky and you have access to PowerPoint at home, you can make a PowerPoint slide. Put your cinquain on the PowerPoint. You can add pretty font. You can decorate the edges. You can add some cool clip art, whatever you are comfortable with. So that's one option, is to do a PowerPoint slide with your cinquain. Another option is to just get a piece of paper and write it out and decorate the page really cool, or type it out and then print that page out and decorate the borders and make a cool picture on it, because we're going to make a collection of all of our poems. We're going to make a little poetry book, and our first entry into our poetry book is the cinquain poem. So do your best, choose your favorite one, practice writing a couple. If you look down a little bit down lower on the page, Miss Swafford's going to demonstrate how she writes her cinquain poems, and she's going to talk a little bit about publishing them as well. So good luck writing a good cinquain. So today in writing, you have to write two more cinquains for practice, choose your favorite, and publish it. And the last thing you have to do is work on that IXL, because whatever you get by Friday is your score. So I know you guys can do a good job. You only have to spend a few minutes each day, or just knock it out one day. It's up to you. I miss you all so much, and I hope you're doing well. And until next time, have a good day.